How to download PUBG Mobile Global Version. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install PUBG Mobile Global Version on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's learn how to download this amazing battleground game. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search bar, search for PUBG Mobile. Select PUBG Mobile from the search results. Tap on the install button. The game will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the file size is large, approximately 890 MB. The installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. Please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can now play the game on your device. Simply tap on play to launch the game. Follow all the necessary setup instructions along with downloading necessary resources and you will be all set to enjoy this amazing battleground game on your mobile device. And there you have it, you have successfully learned the way to download and install PUBG Mobile Global Version on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.